Looking for a classic comfort food with a healthy plant-forward twist? This cauliflower and bean bolognese with zucchini noodles swaps out the saturated fat in ground beef with richly flavored beans and cauliflower. We promise you won't miss the meat. Let's start by making our Cauli-bean Bolognese sauce. Place soaked and drained beans in a food processor and pulse until the beans are finely chopped, about the size of a lentil. Set aside. Place the cauliflower florets in the food processor and pulse to the same size. In a saucepan, heat olive oil and cook the chopped beans until they are a nice golden brown. Set aside. In the same pan, over medium-high heat, add more olive oil and add the cauliflower, stirring frequently and cooking until it is a deep golden brown. This step of browning the cauliflower and beans is essential to achieving the right texture. Add the garlic, breadcrumbs, walnuts, and golden brown beans. Continue to cook over medium heat for another 5 minutes. Add the crushed tomato, chili flakes, salt, and add a little warm water to thin if necessary. Add the torn basil leaves and cook for about 10 minutes. Serve the Cauli-bean Bolognese on top of the blanched zucchini noodles with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and sprinkled liberally with cheese. We hope you enjoy this hearty and healthy Cauli-bean Bolognese with zucchini noodles.